How do I activate split screen mode on my PS4?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to activate split screen mode on your PS4. If you're looking to play games with your friends or family on the same console, split screen mode is a fantastic feature that allows multiple players to enjoy gaming together on a single screen. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to activate split screen mode on your PS4. Let's get started.
Accessing the split screen option.
To activate split screen mode on your PS4, you'll need to follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 and sign in to your account. 2. Connect the controllers that you'll be using for the split screen gameplay to your PS4 console.
Launching a split screen supported game.
Not all games on the PS4 support split screen mode, so make sure you have a game that allows it. Here's how you can launch a split screen supported game. 1. Insert the game disc into your PS4 console or select the game from your digital library. 2. Once the game has loaded, navigate to the main menu or start the game to enter the gameplay.
Activating split screen mode.
Now that you have the game running, let's activate split screen mode. 1. Press the PS button on one of the connected controllers to open the quick menu. 2. Scroll right on the quick menu until you reach the Users option. 3. Select Switch User to open the user selection screen. 4. Create a new user profile or select an existing profile to associate with the second player. 5. Once the second player profile is selected, press the PS button again to close the quick menu.
Adjusting split screen settings.
To optimize the split screen experience, you might want to adjust the screen settings. 1. Pause the game or enter a menu screen that allows you to access settings. 2. Look for Split Screen or Multiplayer settings within the game's options menu. 3. Adjust the screen layout to suit your preferences. Some games offer vertical or horizontal split screen options. 4. Configure other relevant settings, such as audio preferences or controller assignments, if necessary. 5. Resume the game and enjoy split-screen gaming with your friends or family. Congratulations! You've successfully activated split-screen mode on your PS4. Now you can have a blast playing games together with your loved ones in the comfort of your own home. Remember, not all games support split screen, so make sure to check the game's documentation or online resources to confirm its compatibility. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!